hear our son snoring, he's just like his mom.
Just like you, just like his dad.
That's good, man. Let's listen to it.